यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children. Today I have chosen a word which is very, very important for all of us to remember. The word is surreptitious. 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 What does surreptitious mean? In our normal life, we have seen that people have two aspects. As we normally in normal parlance say that, there are two sides of a coin. Similarly, our personality, for that matter, the personality of human being has different facets. इसके अलग अलग आयाम होते हैं, different aspects to look at. That is called interpretational judgment. How do you perceive? How do you understand? As you know about human beings, it is said that human beings are egoistic, nasty, selfish, short, poor and solitary in character. What does that mean? Means human being subconsciously or consciously, is said judiciously or injudiciously, it is blended of so many contradictory qualities which is not possible for everyone to understand and know unless and until they are really subjected to testing hours. When somebody is tested of time or age, then these words come handy to judge the real character of a man. The word is surreptitious. Normally we say that, why are you so stealthily in your approach? Your behavior or your overtures does not reminds me of a very clean or a very transparent interface. It somehow looks like very surreptitious in nature. So I'm just going to amplify the word surreptitious and decode its meaning. What does that mean? And see, it's so easy. Once you remember the meaning of the word, whole lot of arena is there which is open for you to really amble upon. That's the beauty. So a private back stairs, you must have seen, if you're climbing to a building, there are front stairs. Similarly, there are back stairs. Somebody will appear to be very frank, but as I told you, every personality has two sides. If we consider ourselves to be a coin, there are two sides. One is the frontal one, and the second one, which is not being seen, that is called back stairs. Normally, human beings are categorized in three categories: showman, postman, and spokesman. Now I'll just explain three types of people. Showman. Who are showman people? You must have seen the movie stars. They are called actors. They are not the real ones. They act. They simulate. Sometimes they become criminals. Sometimes they become saint. There are different shades of characteristics which they adopt. And they act. That's they are called cine stars. These are called showman. Now come for the postman. What are the postman? Who doesn't speak, but they deliver. Like your bureaucrats. What they do? They are just working under political executives and they secure that implementation of the government policies are thoroughly implemented. That's called spokesman. That is called postman. And third is spokesman. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and comrades, I'll do that, I'll do this, you give me vote for this thing, that thing. These are the politicians. They are called political executives. It is here. Otherwise, those who are in different categories, surreptitious nature is found in all categories. But normally, by and large, it is found in the political executives. What they say, seldom they mean. And what they mean, seldom they speak. That is called your surreptitious nature. You say something, but you don't mean that. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, कहीं पे निगाहें कहीं पे निशान. Exactly. The real spirit of the word surreptitious goes to describe it. Of late, we are confronted with two hostile countries, China and Pakistan. Every now and then you find in the tabloids, newspaper, or in the electronic media, TV, that Pakistani jihadis, they have surreptitiously entered into the boundary of India. That is, chhal se. What they do? They violate ceasefire and they start bombing the border areas. And under the cover of bombs and the bombing, these infiltrators, they sneak into the territory of India. That is called, they come to our country surreptitiously. Chori chori, chupke chupke. Now let us look some of the words which would be very, very fascinating for discussion. Backstairs, I told you. आगे वाले सीढ़ी से नहीं उतरेंगे, पीछे वाली सीढ़ी से. Somebody sees that, somebody may not be able to see that. Behind the scene, you must have seen the movies or even the political arena. Some candidates stand, but the behind the scenes, some parties are there. The policies, the thinking of the parties are there. They are the ones who finalize. They also act surreptitiously. Surreptitious word is negative in nature, but for clarification you can use that. And there would be myriad occasion where you can really recorrect and restructure your sentences depending upon your maturity and gravity of knowledge of English. Clandestine. Clandestine means chori chori, bina kisi ko bataye. Have you ever seen any burglar entering into somebody's flat, the house? They give you notice that ladies and inhabitants of this flat or the kothi, I am going to come to your house and steal some of the goods lying or the valuables lying in your house? No. They come in clandestine manner, something which is not known to anybody. Chori chori, chupke chupke, clandestine. So it's an appropriate word which defines the nature of surreptitious nature. Furtive glance. Furtive is also, it's something like you open your eyes, I can look at you. But somebody is not listening. They just, by the side of it, your brows, they're just trying to mark it. They are not speaking to you. They are not hinting at you. They are even not prodding fingers at you. But they are marking from the eyes of their subconscious brain, which they don't mean. They just listen. They will act later. That is also called surreptitious attentions. You must have seen in our great epic Ramayana that when the question of Raj Tilak for Lord Rama was there, Mantra was very much in and around the courtry where Raja Janak was discussing how to coronate his most loved son, our Lord Rama. So she surreptitiously entered into the meeting arena and divulges all the happenings which Emperor or Raja Janak was discussing among his courtiers, and goes and pumps up the mind and the ill will of Kaikeyi, third wife of Raja Janak, which finally led to departure of Lord Rama to forest, Banvas. So that was also surreptitious act where surreptitiously it was conducted, clandestine approach. Something was not written, something was not evident, something was not made known. It was very, very clandestine or surreptitiously done. Hole and corner. You must have seen at the border. They will find some desolate area and they will just try to make a hole and just peep inside, from inside, and try to find out what's going on in the boundaries across the border. China, recently and few months back, there was a very intensive standoff between the two armies, India and China forces, on Doklam and now in Ladakh areas. What is that? Chinese have a typical clandestine approach of surreptitiously entering, making, very surreptitiously crawling inch by inch, kilometer by kilometer into the territory of India. And later on, they will just wipe out the original LSC and they say LSC starts from here. That is the nature of China. So that approach is called surreptitious approach. surreptitious. Surreptitious. We should be bold and candid enough. Surreptitiously, we should not conduct any activities, leave any information which pertains to the national security. So, hugger mugger, Hugger, hugger dash Mugger, mugger. So that is also something which you are doing in a very clandestine manner. Nobody should know. You are just making very, very, very secretive. Hush, hush, private, secret, sneaking. What does terrorists do on the frontiers? They just sneak into our territories. That is called sneaking habits of the jihadis forces. Now, let us find out some of the words which are closely related with the word surreptitious. Back channel. अभी हाल फिलहाल आप सुनते होंगे कि चाइनीज के साथ जो बातचीत चल रही है, on the front the forces are already there to take the battle head on, but in the back channel पीछे से भी कुछ बातें हो रही है. That is also called, that is back channel diplomacy. Something going on at the level of foreign ministers, foreign secretary level, diplomatic level, because both the countries, they are having their embassies in each countries, so they would be talking at their own level. So all the stages, that is called back channel. Closed door. One is open door. In the open, somebody announces, maybe the Prime Minister talks, but something closed door, which cannot be disclosed, divulged to all. That is called closed door meeting. Top secret, undisclosed, off the record. In print media, you must have heard, they have the habit of writing. I'm not confirming it, but off the record I can tell you that India is going to have a terrific preparation against China. That is called off the record. Some of the offices, आप लोग हिंदी में देखते हो, सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर आई है. What are these sutra? These are the source of information. Off the record. Somebody who is there, privy to all the information, they have all the informations, but they don't want their name to be divulged. They say off the record. Off the record is a related word to surreptitious. Somebody has told you the facts, but without getting full hand information. Who told you? When did you come this information about? How did you learn this information? What is the source of information? So the word surreptitious. Concealed. Now, it is always said that something which is concealed, not made public, not made open. How do I know? All the classified informations are concealed, and all the bureaucrats are expected to conceal any official secrets amongst themselves. Otherwise, they would be charged under Official Secret Act. Official Secret Act. Hidden, secreted, subterranean. What is subterranean? आप लोग कभी कभी नदी का पानी देखते होंगे, लेकिन आप यदि ऋषिकेश जाएं, हरिद्वार जाएं, तो ऊपर का पानी थोड़ा सा स्थिर तो लगता है, लेकिन अंडर करंट जिसको बोलते हैं, अंडर करंट. कभी कभी इलेक्शंस में बोला जाता है nobody is going to say whom they are going to vote for, but somebody makes an inquiry. अभी देखते हो ये एग्जिट पोल देते हैं. So what exit poll do exactly? They are able to touch the pulse of the people. अंदर खाने क्या हो रही है, भीतर खाने क्या हो रही है, जनता क्या बोलती है. डाइनिंग टेबल पे, नुक्कड़ पे, चाय पे चर्चा करने के बाद they are able to gaze the subterranean feeling. Subterranean feeling. What is subterranean? जो ऊपर से दिखता नहीं है, बट खिचड़ी पक रही है अंदर अंदर. Everyone is, we can say that in elections of 2014, nobody was unequivocally speaking anything whom they are going to vote for. But it was undercurrent. It was subterranean information that Mr. Modi is going to make a great headway, landslide victory. Which was exactly? So that is called subterranean. Now let us look for some antonyms of surreptitious. Surreptitious is sneaky, not telling, not making public, but which is made public. That is antonyms. So what would be the word like? Acknowledged. हमारे ज़माने में, अब तो पोस्ट ऑफिस में नहीं होता है, जब भी कोई पोस्ट कार्ड लगता था तो उसके साथ एक्नॉलेजमेंट एक लेटर लगती थी, एक कार्ड होती थी. इसका मतलब once the letter is delivered to the exact person, it was just like a receipt. I have acknowledged. अभी भी एप्लीकेशन लिखते होगे, kindly accept and acknowledge my application sir. लास्ट में लिखा जाता है. Acknowledgement slip, उसको बोला जाता था acknowledgement slip. Means to whom you wanted to send your letter, inland card, postcard, that gentleman has received and he has sent back the acknowledgement receipt. Acknowledgement means open, secret, अब कोई बात रही नहीं. So this is not surreptitious. It is open, खुले में. Award. We say that our armies, our forces are award soldiers. ये छुपी हुई बात नहीं है. जैसे चाइना में, चाइना की फोर्सेस क्या होती है? Chinese policies are one child policy. So every parent has only one child, and so from them somebody is forcibly taken to army. Chinese armies are one of the most disinterested armies to fight on the borders. It is unlike Indian army, who are known for their bravery. They voluntarily come and join army, but Chinese are not, because that's a monolithic society. So they forcibly take the children from their parents to recruit into army. So that kind of zeal, enthusiasm and elan is not there. They are working half-heartedly. Above all, straightforward, unconcealed. I told you conceal means छिपा हुआ. Unconcealed means open. बिल्कुल खुली किताब. Undisguised. There it was disguised. Now here it is undisguised, unclassified, unrestricted, manifest. As most of the time I have been talking about, your face is the vortex of your personality. You manifest what your inner construct is all about through your face. Unmanifestation. It was unmanifested, matlab that was not disclosed. But when it is manifested, means something was open. That's why it is said, make it patented. Patented means something which has been made clear. Americans and those European countries, they take patent of their medicine. Why? They openly say this belongs to me, so that nobody can copy or make duplicate of it, and thereby jeopardizing the original taste or the texture or the intrinsic value of the product, for which they have taken the patent. Now antonyms, near antonyms, I told you, exact means open, that was concealed surreptitiously, चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके, यहाँ खुले में, open. Overt, there are two words. Overt means खुल के, आगे से, and there is covert. Covert means from behind, but here it is overt, very clearly public. Nothing is secret, it is all public. So my dear loving children, small video but great message for you, that you should start picking up words, start constructing sentences, start developing the habit. Habit is very important. Once you have the habit of learning words, nobody can stop you. So start consulting, picking up good words, taking the words from your conscious mind to the dictionary, look for its meaning in the dictionary, then again come back to the area of synonyms, antonyms, and start constructing sentences. Once you have done that, start speaking. Go to the terrace, start speaking flawlessly. Try once. Over a period of time, you will achieve the success. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि